as a rule of thumb, I've liked Ethereum over others because it's large, it has a yield, it has massive amounts of applications built on the network, and I think it tends to perform well. That's not anything against Bitcoin. I mean, again, it's weird that you have to give a caveat of, well, I don't dislike Bitcoin because Bitcoin people can be so aggressive over this stuff. I care much less about Bitcoin. Interested in what Udi's doing and others building on Taproots and the ordinals and other stuff. And I think Solana is probably a decent bet because it's got a lot of developer activity and network activity. Anything else, I don't really talk about.
For those who have followed Real Vision founder and CEO Raoul Pal, it's no secret that he holds a bullish outlook on the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. However, Pal's enthusiasm extends even further to Ethereum, as he recently discussed in his live stream. He delves into why he is particularly bullish on Ethereum and Solana in the crypto space. Additionally, Pal shares his thoughts on BlackRock's application for a spot Bitcoin ETF, highlighting the significance of this move and its potential impact on the industry. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with a staggering $10 trillion under management, has entered the crypto arena by filing with the SEC for a Bitcoin trust. This trust would essentially function as a spot Bitcoin ETF, providing investors with exposure to Bitcoin without directly purchasing it. It's worth noting that despite other Bitcoin ETF applications being rejected, BlackRock has a remarkable track record of getting approved by the SEC, boasting a 575-to-1 success rate. In the realm of finance, BlackRock is akin to Floyd Mayweather, seldom experiencing defeat. During his interview, Pal breaks down the implications of this approval for the crypto industry and prices. To learn more about Pal's insights, be sure to watch the entire video, where he also addresses the SEC's lawsuits against Coinbase and Finance.
Everybody in their crypto journey goes through the tether fear cycle. My tether fear cycle was 2018, I think it was. 17, I can't remember when it was. 16, I can't remember. We've all been through it. And then after a while, you realize that on balance, it's a very useful tool and a lot of people use it. I think on balance, my thought process is that a while ago, many years ago, when I first looked at it, they had a mismatch between what was actually reported on their balance sheet because they'd made the payment to the loan to Bitfinex, and that was some dodginess in all of that. And I think they solved it, and now they generate so much cash from the US bonds that they own that they're just massively cash flow positive now. I don't have a problem with Tether. I really don't. Yeah, I don't really have an edge, but I just think that Coinbase has a much higher chance of success. And I think, if Ripple do as well, Coinbase will do, or we get a change of regime. So yes, I think it's, again, I know I use this term too much, I think it's noise. I don't really know. But yes, of course it's Gary. This is politics. It's not about regulation. This is all about politics. And it's all about, if you are the world's reserve currency, and we have a broken system, and the banking system needs deposits, then you need to not allow the parallel financial system, the Bitcoin life raft as I called it, from accelerating a migration. Because if it's an accelerated migration out of a traditional system, you'll lose the deposits in the existing system and it's game over. Right? There's big games to be played here. This is not child's games. This is like, you can't lose everything, so we need to throttle that across. I think if you listen to the banks, you listen to BlackRock, you listen to Goldman, you listen to all of these people, they all know we have to move to digital rails and we have to use blockchain technology. The government's like, please don't let this happen too fast, because if you do, we can destroy everything. Yeah, look, it's not easy, but look, here's a nice little story I haven't not told yet on Real Vision. I was at the Global Macro Investor Roundtable in Mallorca, Spain, and a good friend of mine ran a large sales and trading at a large Australian bank, and he's just retired. And I said, what have you been up to? Blah blah blah, chatting. He said, I've spent a lot of time in crypto. I mean, everybody does. So I'm like, okay, what have you been up to? He goes, well, we launched 5 stable coins in different currencies. I said, well, why are you, as a large Australian bank, one of the largest banks, issuing stable coins. He's like, well, understand this, the US is moving to T+1 settlement, and we are in Australia, and we've got T+2, T+3 for FX, because we can't settle equity trades. The system isn't fast enough. So we either give a whole, hundreds of billions of dollars, the Australian system, to their brokers and leave it cash balances, which is A, very inefficient use of capital, and B, risky, or they need to build out faster payment rails. And that's, this is not the kind of crypto adoption things that people think about. It's built on Ethereum as well, but it's like these are the real needs of the financial system. Things don't function. I think the low was October 2022, and we've been in a bull market ever since. I referred to it as crypto spring. I think we are still in crypto spring, and we will be moving into crypto summer once we start to see rate cuts and stimulus, or stimulus and rate cuts.
In this enlightening deep dive, Raoul Pal provides invaluable insights into the future of cryptocurrency, with a particular focus on Ethereum and Solana. Pal's analysis and understanding of the crypto market support his bullish stance on these projects. It's fascinating to witness such a seasoned investor and economist placing such strong faith in these endeavors. Whether you're an investor or simply curious about crypto, Pal's insights are worth considering. However, let's not overlook the heavyweight contender BlackRock and their astounding track record. Their foray into the Bitcoin space could bring about a seismic shift. Pal delves into the potential implications of this move and its significance for the broader crypto industry. It's essential for anyone serious about staying ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving market to take Pal's breakdown into account. The timing of BlackRock's approval could range from 45 days to 6 months, and its impact would be monumental. The possibilities are immense, and the stakes are high. The crypto world is no longer solely about Bitcoin, it has expanded into a vast ecosystem. Pal's perspective helps us navigate these exciting yet intricate waters. As we conclude, it is crucial to reflect on the information shared in this video. How will you incorporate this knowledge into your investment strategy? Are you considering Ethereum or Solana? What are your thoughts on BlackRock's move? These are important questions to ponder as you navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. For more Daily Dose Crypto News, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.